Fiber optic cables in black resin create a stunning glowing star table. A shipping container transformed into an underground lounge with an aquarium view. A stunning bamboo geometric floor crafted with glossy resin and warm lighting. A craftsman turns crushed glass bottles and concrete into a stylish table. A stunning koi pond with a center island featuring a Japanese maple. A stylish DIY pendant lamp made using glue, rope, and a balloon. Creating a unique textured cement planter using bubble wrap and gold paint. A cozy wooden lounge built under a glass-bottomed outdoor koi pond. A vintage green car beautifully encased in clear epoxy resin outdoors. Crafting detailed cheetah sculptures turned into vibrant, flower-filled garden planters.
These cheetah planters turned out so cute, such a fun way to make the garden feel bold and unique.